So guys, recently I have played PUBG on this POCO X2 and you guys are demanding the Call of Duty gameplay of this same smartphone on the channel. So here I am. This is the Call of Duty test of this 730G processor, or I can say the POCO X2. So hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir and this is the Call of Duty gameplay review of this POCO X2. So let's begin. But before I start the video guys, let me tell you that I'm going to use battery temperature app to measure the temperature of the battery. So currently the battery is on 36 degrees Celsius and the battery is on 93%. So yeah, we will measure the battery drop too. And as you guys know that this smartphone has a Snapdragon 730G processor with a very powerful Adreno GPU too. And for you guys, I have did the benchmark. So let me show you the benchmark result which I have did. In the Geekbench 5, it scored 544, the single core score was 544, the multi-core score was 1634, and when it comes to the N2 benchmark, as you see, it scores 2,70,000 approximately. So yeah, the overall score was very nice. We will gonna play this Call of Duty in this phone, so let's see how does it performs. By the way guys, the speakers are located right over here, so it may hinder the overall playability of the game. So yeah, currently let me show you. As you see, let me reduce the volume. So as you see guys, the graphics is on high and the frame rate is on max. If I put it on very high, the max frame rate option will go away. So I will play it on high and max setting, and control should be simple, because I'm not a pro at this game yet. So yeah, we'll play Battle Royale, because why not? So let's go. I haven't played Battle Royale in this Call of Duty, so yeah, wish me luck guys.
Good luck.
Enjoy the game guys. Well. As of now, the performance seems very impressive.
Time for the mission. Get ready.
So guys, I'm playing this game for the first time, so yeah, wish me luck. Well, as of now, the performance seems very impressive. That's nice. That's fun. So guys, we are in the gliding suit, which is amazing. And as of now, the performance seems very impressive. Not bad. I don't have any idea how to play this game, so yeah, bear with me. Well, the performance seems really impressive, isn't it guys? Wow. I guess it is kind of similar to PUBG. We have to find guns. I want guns, bloody guns. Okay, I've got gun. Great. Is that my team member? I feel so.
The safe zone is collapsing.
Okay. That's impressive.
Airdrop has been delivered.
Whoa. Nice. Should go now. Okay. This is kind of similar to PUBG but better, I feel. Whoa! Shoot. That was amazing. So I cannot take that vehicle.
First blood.
I have no idea how to play this game and what to play this game. By the way, I am feeling. By the way, guys, I am feeling the warmness. So yeah. Where the hell are you? Get over there. What?
Returning to the battle.
Respawning. Okay, so we have the respawning situation here. That's great. What the hell is happening?
Battle. Chip terminal is almost ready. Here.
What the hell is this guy?
Returning to the battle. The safe zone is collapsing.
I want to kill someone.
Reloading. Up in here.
What?
Returning to the battle.
What the hell? Guys, I have no idea how to play this game, so I'm sorry. If I ruin your experience, I am really sorry about that. Okay, finally I have got my first kill. Thank God for that. Who the hell? These three guys.
Chip terminal is almost ready. The safe zone is collapsing. Airdrop is coming.
What?
Airdrop has been delivered. Returning to the battle.
Well guys, the phone is kind of hot in my opinion right now, so yeah, we'll see. The performance seems very nice. Let me show you the temperature. As you see, the current temperature is around 40 degrees Celsius, so yeah.
Airdrop has been delivered. Airdrop is coming. Reloading. Cover me. Returning to the battle. Reloading. Cover me. Airdrop has been delivered. Reloading.
Okay. Well. As you see, guys, we've won, and the current battery temperature is 40 degrees Celsius, and the phone is kind of hot in my opinion. Not very hot, but it is kind of more than warm, I can say that. So the overall performance was good. At the end, I felt some frame drops, so yeah, be aware of that. Overall, I can say that the performance of this Call of Duty Mobile on this POCO X2 was pretty good enough. If you are a very high-end player of those games like PUBG or Call of Duty, then you can skip this device, because there are other devices which you can buy to play those games. I feel the POCO F2 will gonna be amazing for the gaming, but this one is not that good in terms of the gaming department. So yeah, overall performance was good enough. I can definitely recommend this. If you have only 16,000 rupee budget, then you can definitely buy this smartphone. So yeah, that's it about the conclusion of this video. So that's all in this video, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then hit that like button, share this video with your friends who are looking to buy this smartphone or any other smartphone in this price category. It will be very, very helpful for them. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. By the way, if you love my content, you can subscribe to this channel with that bell notification icon, so you will be notified when I post new videos like this. And by the way, guys, once again, thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.